probably know that getting enough sleep is essential to living a healthy lifestyle. It can have a significant impact on both your physical and mental well-being. But you may be surprised to know that getting a good night's sleep can help you lose weight effectively. According to studies, obtaining enough sleep may be the most crucial factor in achieving your ideal body. It works exactly as well as eating right and exercising. The good news is that unlike other weight loss strategies that advocate stringent calorie restrictions or a vigorous workout regimen, you can lose belly fat without doing any of these if you start receiving the quantity of sleep your body requires. Now, for most people, getting enough sleep is not attainable, and losing belly fat seems like an unbelievable task. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy fat-burning tea. This tea helps help you to lose belly fat and also help you to sleep like a baby. This tea contains chamomile, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and cinnamon. Chamomile tea is a caffeine-free herb that comes from the daisy family. It has apigenin, an antioxidant that attaches to specific receptors in the brain, promoting sleepiness and alleviating chronic insomnia. It also helps to reduce anxiety. Apple cider vinegar, it aids in the fat-burning process, reduces cholesterol, it lowers blood sugar levels, and it improves the symptoms of diabetes. Lemon has been shown to increase feelings of fullness, aids in hydration, it boosts metabolism, and aid in weight loss. Cinnamon contains large amounts of highly potent polyphenol antioxidants that help to reduce insulin resistance, lowers blood sugar levels. It improves heart health, boosts your metabolism, and suppresses your appetite. Now, all of these made together creates a great fat-burning sleep tonic. Now, I made this tea last night, and oh my goodness, I slept like a baby, and my belly feels good too. So let me show you how to make it. Come on.
We're using chamomile tea, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and a lemon.
I love my glass kettle, so I poured my water in there. I'm using dried chamomile leaves, but if you don't have that, 2 tea bags will be enough. Then we're going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half of 1 fresh lemon, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You're going to let this steep for 10 minutes, and there you have it, your fat-burning tea.
Take this 1 hour before bed, and you will sleep like a baby and also get that fat-burning process started.